Welcome to Canadian Tire.
So this is should be the amber. So this one should be the right one for RAV4 2018 for the amber. But the trickier one is this one. This one for the turning part looks the same, right? Similar. But when you look in the bottom, see the bottom is different. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 3. So the original one from my car is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right one should be this. Looks the same. So this is exactly the same, okay? Should be the right model like this. Okay. I already unscrewed this part. But the first time especially is very hard to get it out. No place to grip. I mean, I tried so hard, but you know, I just cannot. And I got a genius way, I would think. The rope, slide the rope into it, okay, and then you can pull just like your inside hair, okay, right? So to make it so much easier. So because you see the 3 knots here, 1, 2, and 3. So second time will be easier, but the first time gotta be hard. Right? So ready to buy the new one. This and this one. Okay, you see that's the new ball. Yeah, I hope it worked. You know, I'm not sure it is working or not. So I'm gonna put it back. So and twist a little bit. Tick. Okay, you can hear the sound. Yeah, supposed to be same. It doesn't matter which side, and just slide it back in. It doesn't matter which side. Now, just remember this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Screw it back, and we finish. Okay.